కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు బయట వాళ్ళంతా కలిపి ఉంటారు.
అవును, దట్స్ గుడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఎంతమంది మెంబర్స్ ఉంటారు? ఒకరు
Vijay Kumar garu onto the dais. We invite our Honorable Lakshmikant Rathod sir, Vice Chancellor of Palamur University, onto the dais. Professor Indulana, Dr. Vijay Kumar garu batch is presented by it's a felicitation, a small felicitation.
Who is the person responsible for maintaining or supervising local councillor or local representative? So that mindset has to be changed. And we thought we have been very active in Telangana movement. In fact, I left my Indian Revenue Service job to join into the movement, and I was a founder member of the TRS along with KCR and many other people. Our goal was to have a vibrant Telangana for the future of youth, for the future of Telangana students and kids. And we have achieved with all the support from every corner of the society, and luckily we got Telangana. And we thought after achieving Telangana, focus will be on education and health. But sorry to say, it's a pathetic situation all these 10 years. All the universities have been suffering for lack of funds. All the colleges, schools have been striving and praying for basic infrastructure. We are very saddened for knowing that, because I personally met TCS people, high-ranking people. They gave their experience to me. Immediately, we have informed the CM office, and Tata, TCS, Tata Sons, Tata Technologies have been called with a proactive initiation of our Honorable CM. Now we have made an MOU in Davos, enabling and improving, empowering the ITAs of Telangana. 50 ITAs will be developed by involving the expertise of TCS and Tata Group. By investing a sum of 2,000 crores, it is unheard of in the history of Telangana. Now we are able to do it, we will be doing it. We have 3,000 people. So I would like to know the numbers from the Honorable Principal will be passing out each year. 1,000 members single year. Since 20 years you have been successfully passing out 1,000 members, 1,000